There's virtually zero waste with this budget-friendly vegan feast. Everything from the leaves to the stalk are used to create a truly cauli-tastic curry. Start by cutting the sides off the cauliflower to give you flat slices or steaks. Rub with the curry powder and spray with a little low-calorie cooking spray and roast for half an hour, adding the leaves for the final 3 to 4 minutes. Roughly chop the rest of the cauliflower and add the onion, stock and remaining curry powder and cook over a high heat. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove about 4 large spoonfuls of cauliflower pieces from the pan and blitzed with a stick blender or food processor. Season and return to the pan. This will help to thicken the sauce. Then serve with rice and top with the roast cauliflower steaks and a few crispy leaves.